Then to create assets is very simple. Like one of the things that we will do is to look for the different lists of values. In this particular case, we are looking to create. We will look for the project number. We can search for that on the form, or we can just type that on the spreadsheet. Then in this case, if I'm looking for all the projects, I would put a percentage. If I want to do a query on it, I will just put the search criteria, press the search button, and that will bring me all the different projects and match that. And I would put some basic information like the asset number, asset name. If I need to, in my case, I have automatic asset numbers, and I'm not putting that. Then with the book, also I could look for the search criteria or just put any value. Still, the tool will validate the data. Then even if I put the wrong information, still the tool will validate that. And if you see here, I have even the possibility to put asset descriptive flexors as well. Then if you see here, I put the wrong book number, or the wrong book name, and then the tool tells me that is incorrect. Then I could look for the right name on the list of values. And that is also very important in terms of how the tool behave when you put the wrong information, or which you will have validation there. Then in this case, I have my basic information. Remember that the tool is also validating that you have all the data when you are doing the upload. Then even if you are bringing the data from a different spreadsheet, that will work as well. In the case of assignment, I could do an assign to projects or assign to the task. In this case, I will assign this specific asset to the project. And then I could create more assets if I want to, just using Excel functionality. And also I have the possibility to use the row number 10. That row number 10 will have the different default values, and I don't need to repeat each of those values in each line. I could just put them on the row number 10, and that will apply for all the different assets that are being created there. If you see also, I'm not limited in terms of functionality. And then when I press upload, the tool will validate the data. If it's any error, it will show me the error there. And then in this case, it's asking me to expand. I will expand the thing, and it's telling me, hey, you didn't put the asset type. Then I could come and then populate the asset type or any other value that I'm missing there. In this case, it's just the asset type. Then I will go back there. I will open the form to see the different values that are available for that asset type. In this case, I will use estimated, and I want to have the same for the rest. Then instead of going one by one, putting that information, I will just use the default values, and then now hit the upload all again. And then that will finish with uploading my assets. In another video, I will show again the assignment, but in this case, you see that that particular asset also was assigned to the project. Then with that, we finish uploading and creating new assets for a project.